Hi guys, welcome to another unboxing. This time we're going to do the unboxing for the 2017 Audi RS6 Avant, and this time I right away went and applied it. It's been almost close to 2 minutes or so, and I can see the chemical liquid has traveled. I think last time I was a bit too quick. I just applied and I tried to remove them off. Maybe that didn't work, and the result was this. Of course it didn't tear it, but the glue still took away some of the prints that I really wished it didn't. But let me give another try with this one. Before I do the unboxing, there is some fun fact that I have noticed is the license plate on this vehicle. It says Hot Wheels RS6 and FF stands for factory fresh, and I thought it was just an cosmetic, but if you look closely on the vehicle as well, it's there. You see, it's an Hot Wheels RS6 FF even on the rear. So they have went with much details compared to the previous one. This is what I like, but this is not something that I see in every unboxing. Can see in few, I don't see the same in the rest, but time to time it just impresses me, how these go. And I can also see that the chemical has almost been everywhere. It's just a couple more minutes and I'll be able to take them if I do it right this time. Again, I don't believe I have the right chemical. I think I need to do some more research, but this time let's just go ahead with the unboxing. But the interesting thing is I do get the card, but they are not that usable anyhow. So I do have two cards now for no reasons, and we have our guest, today's honor. So we have the 2017 Audi RS6 Avant 2017 Metal. And what I like about this vehicle is that this vehicle kind of have its own wide body, and personally I do love this vehicle because this did come with an similar to a Lamborghini engine that made a ton of horsepower, which was crazy at that time. And of course this is a family wagon, or some say wagon, some say a hatchback, and some say it's like a mom's car, but it's like a mom's car with a ton of power to release. At this time I believe Audi had some of the Lamborghini's power under them, and they made use of it, making some one of a kind powerful vehicle. This personally I love sleeper cars, and this was one of the sleeper car fresh out of factory. And they have went an extra mile to make sure that the details on the front are there. I'm not able to focus it. You have the Quattro, and you have the Hot Wheels license plate, also the RS6 badging on the front grille, along with the vehicle branding. Then you have the headlights and the fog light differentiators, and the alloy wheels are pretty common, but it goes well with this design. You have some rear diffusers and exhaust tips. Again, you have the RS6 badge on the back with the Audi logo. Then you have the tail lights and body lines are up. And so this would be my first any of the Audi vehicles as of now, and that's it for the unboxing today. Do stick around for the close-up shots, and a subscribe would do a great difference in my life. It helps me make more content and explore more stuffs. I'm also planning to do some custom works. I've seen people on Instagrams, they take apart and they do some. I would like to experiment. I would like to see how far I can get this and even know whether it's a thing that I can also do. So do check around, do subscribe, and stay safe.